How to create new pages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new page. And pages are different compared to posts, where posts are more for blog posts, where pages are more for static pages, which are more permanent. So if you want to feature a section called About Us or About Me, then you can create that page. And when anyone wants to find out more about your company or about you, they can simply click on About Me or About Us to find out more. So to create a new page, log into your WordPress dashboard and you'll see a section called Pages. What you want to do is add a new page. Now let's create an About Me page or About Us. I'll just keep it simple and type in About. Now we can insert our text. So I've put in a few lines of text here, and once I've finished, I can simply click Publish. Now if I go back to my blog and refresh, there's a new section or page called About. If I click on that, there's my new page. So that's how to create a new page.